If you're consistently changing your vacation rental rates and still wondering if you're charging too much or too little, this simple pricing framework will help. Learn how successful hosts build pricing confidence without spending hours staring at their calendars. You ever feel like you're making up your prices as you go? One day you're convinced your rates are too high. The next day you're worried they're too low. You're checking competitors. You're watching your calendar. You're second guessing every booking. Well, you're not alone. Most vacation rental owners aren't struggling because of their property. They're struggling because they don't have a pricing structure. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple framework that takes the guesswork out of pricing. Welcome to another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions, where vacation rental owners stop surviving and start running calmer, smarter vacation rentals. If you haven't done so yet, sign up, and if it's applicable, ring that bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Hey, I'm Jerry McPherson, and I've spent more than 30 years in hospitality, worked for vacation rental owners from around the world, conducted hundreds of vacation rental inspections, and have spoken to countless guests about what makes a vacation rental succeed. The one thing I've learned is this: the host making the best decisions aren't necessarily smarter. They're simply working from a framework instead of emotions. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through why most hosts struggle with pricing, the 3-rate framework that simplifies everything, how to adjust pricing without overthinking it, how to avoid the discount trap. By the end, you'll have a simple pricing structure that you can start using today. So why does pricing feel so hard? Well, this is where a lot of hosts have trouble. They think that pricing is about finding the perfect number. It isn't. There's no perfect number. The market changes, demand changes, seasons change, guest behavior changes, yet many hosts keep looking for that one magic nightly rate. And honestly, to many, that makes sense. Most of us start looking at competitors. We open Airbnb. We search nearby properties. We see what everyone else is charging. Then we copy them. The problem is we don't know their costs. We don't know their occupancy. We don't know their strategy. And we're comparing ourselves to strangers. So instead of asking, what should I charge? Ask, what is my pricing framework? That is a much better question, because a framework gives you consistency. Imagine driving from New York to Pittsburgh. Would you rather have a map or just guess every turn? Pricing works the same way. A framework is your map. That small shift can make a big difference. Start with your minimum profitable rate. Many hosts know what they would like to earn. Few know what they need to earn. That difference really matters. Most people focus on revenue. They celebrate bookings. They celebrate occupancy. But the revenue isn't profit. Work out your minimum profitable night. Start with your mortgage, your utilities, cleaning, the insurance, the maintenance, the platform fees, the internet, the supplies, and then add them together. And then divide by your expected booking nights. Let's say your monthly costs are $2,200. You average 20 booked nights. Your break-even point is $110 per night. Anything above that starts creating profit. You can't price confidently until you know your numbers. Pricing isn't about getting the highest rate. It's about finding the best balance between occupancy and profitability. And that's where things get interesting. So here's the 3-rate framework. Many hosts create dozens of different rates. They spend hours adjusting them because we've been told that pricing has to be complicated. It doesn't. Use 3 pricing levels. That is it. Low season, standard season, peak season. 3 rates. Simple. Low season, $135. Standard season, $175. Peak season, $250. Now, every day on your calendar fits into one of those categories. No stress, no guessing, no daily panic. Simple systems usually win. Adjust for demand without losing your mind. Some hosts charge the same price years round, while others change rates every few hours. Neither approach works particularly well because demand feels unpredictable. Watch local demand signals, things like school holidays, festivals, sporting events, concerts, long weekends, university graduations. These periods create demand. Demand supports higher pricing. A Tuesday in February should not have the same rate as a summer festival weekend. Demand isn't equal. Your pricing shouldn't be either. Price according to demand, not according to fear. What's your biggest challenge with pricing? Let me know in the comments. Do you struggle finding the right rates, seasonality, last-minute bookings, or knowing when to increase prices? I do read every comment. Stop discounting every empty night. A few nights remain empty, panic sets in, discounts appear. Empty nights feel uncomfortable. I get it. Everybody's been there. But before you lower the rates, add value. Offer early check-in, late checkout, local attraction discounts, welcome baskets, complimentary extras. Instead of reducing your rate by $25, add $25 worth of value. Guests often perceive that as much more attractive anyway. Protect your rates, enhance your value. Here are your key takeaways. Know your minimum profit rate. Use only 3 seasonal rates. Follow demand, not emotions. Add value before discounting. Keep pricing simple and consistent. If you would like help putting this into action, grab a free copy of the 7-Day Vacation Rental Jumpstart. It walks you through the foundations of building a profitable vacation rental business without burning yourself out. You can find a link in the description below. You can find the link in the show notes. This guide helps you understand your numbers, improve guest experiences, and create stronger systems from day one. And if you're ready to build real systems around pricing, operations, guest experience, and profitability, take a look at the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. It's where I walk you through the entire framework step by step. Insights throughout this pricing approach align with the profit first, system-based philosophy taught in the course and the book. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe. And if you really got something out of it, feel free to buy us a coffee. And remember, you don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the right next step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.